everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to disable astrology on Snapchat. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So first thing you have to do is open your Snapchat application. Once you're here, tap on your profile at the top left corner, this one. So just tap on that. And as you can see, I already have mine. There it is, this one. So to have this disabled, just go to settings, click on the settings icon at the top right. And once you're here, tap on your birthday. So in here, you'll see this, my astrological birthday. So just tap on X and clear so that people won't be able to see your astrology sign. And that's it, everyone. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!